So now I'm going to show you how to detail a regular bed. Basically, there's only a couple things you should ever use when cleaning the black parts of the beds or any part of the bed. Whenever we're cleaning the acrylics, we'll go ahead and use our sanitizer solution like normal. Otherwise, to clean the black parts of the beds, every single day or maybe after every single session, we'll just take a dry towel and we'll just dust it off. And that's really kind of all you need to do really often on the beds. If there's some extra dirt or grime buildup, we can use two things, either soap and water, and this is just Dawn soap, or we can use Armor All. And those are really the only things we should use. We should never use sanitizer solution on the black parts of the beds. It will just dry out the plastic part and cause it to fade or crack just like a dashboard would. So I noticed that there's some dirt buildup in this little crevice, so I'm just going to use a little bit of soap and water. Just spray that on there, and then I'll take my rag and just wipe that out. You should only have a couple drops of soap in a 32-ounce sprayer of water. And the reason that we do that is because we don't want it too soapy and end up being really sticky. So we're just going to do a couple drops. And I'll just use that soap and water then just to wipe down the whole entire bed. Again, we're paying attention to all the little cracks and crevices, little areas where dust can get trapped on the back parts, and we'll wipe that down. The next part for detailing the bed we're going to want to make sure we focus on is this gold trim right here. It tends to collect a lot of grime and lotiony things in the corners. So again, I can just use my soap and water, spray my towel really, really wet, and just take my finger in the towel and just really dig in there and clean that out. I'm going to do that on the front side and then also on the back side of the bed where there's silver trim as well. There's more of this gold trim, so we're going to want to make sure we get in there too. And then the last part for detailing the bed is going to be down underneath here. There's some fans that are down here, so we're going to want to make sure that we clean the fans. Again, you could just use your wet rag and just use that to get out any of the dust. And then also behind this black part, there's a ledge. There's a black box ledge. So you're just going to go ahead and take your arm down there with your towel and just dust that all off. When you're finished dusting all of that off, you're going to need to take and do some extensive vacuuming. So you're going to take your vacuum, you're going to get way back in there, all the way underneath, get all that dust out, and vacuum all the way out of the room. And that's it.